Got my rhythm, got my pace. Every board I cut is straight. Every move I make is fate. No big talk, no showing off, just hard work and that's enough. Building my world with time and sweat, ain't a thing I regret. Build not bought, that's my way. Brick by brick, day by day. Strong hands, steady mind, that's the life I stand behind. People run, people fall, I just stand through it all. Got my ground under my boots, got my truth, got my roots. No noise, no need to prove, just a man and the work I do. Sun going down on the road long gone. Dust still clings to the boots I got on. Ain't riding no more, those days are through. Now I build things slow, like a man should do. Got an old shed standing by the line, tools and wood in a little time. Every hammer fall, every spark I see feels like bringing life back into me. I don't chase gold, I don't run fast. Left those days somewhere in the past. Now it's quiet nights and steady hands, building life from dust and plans. Wind still sings like it used to do, carries stories that I once knew. But I found my peace in this simple place with a little work and a slower pace. Horse is gone, but I still roam, and every nail I build my home. fire burns low and the night stands still. Got no big dreams, and I never will. Just this life, these tools, these hands, and a quiet soul in these desert lands. Dust on my hands, iron in my skin. Every mark tells where I've been. Ain't no rush, ain't no race to slow time in a quiet place. Hammer falls like a heartbeat sound. Echo rolls, but there's no one around. Just me and the things I make. Every piece of soul I shape. I built it slow, I built it strong, where I belong all along. No need for more, no need to run. Just iron hands in a setting sun. Used to ride, used to roam. Now I build, now I'm home. Found my peace in wood and steel. In every cut I start to heal. I'll bend's what I command. Every strike, every sound turns the weak into the ground. I didn't wait, didn't pray, I just worked my way each day. Build it hard, build it real, that's the only way I feel. Iron will, iron soul, never break, never fold. Stand your ground, hold your line, make your life one piece at a time.